2-pinion side gear backlash measurement. I want to make sure that I measure that little bit of movement from the side gear. I'm going to use a pair of vice grip pliers to gently clamp one differential pinion gear to the case. The pliers are set to apply a minimal amount of clamping force, just enough to hold the gear from rotating. This makes it easier to make the measurement. Set the dial indicator tip on one of the gear teeth. Make sure you can read the dial and the side of the plunger clears the other tooth. Gently rock the side gear back and forth to make the measurement. While moving the gear back and forth, observe the total movement of the needle. If the needle was not set to 0, subtract the large reading from the small reading for a total backlash movement. This dial moved from 58 thousandths to just a bit more than 72 thousandths. 72 thousandths minus 58 thousandths is a total movement of 14 thousandths of an inch. It's not possible to measure the side gear backlash directly on a differential that has 4 pinions. Instead, the measurement is taken on one of the differential pinion gears. This measurement has a direct relationship to the side gear backlash. After separating the case, place the differential pinion gears, the cross, and one side gear into the bench vise. Set up the dial indicator to measure the backlash on one of the pinion gears. With one hand and 2 fingers, spread 2 of the pinion gears outwards against the case. Then carefully wiggle the pinion gear with the dial indicator back and forth to measure the backlash. This pinion gear backlash measures from 6 thousandths of an inch to 15 thousandths of an inch. 15 thousandths of an inch minus 6 thousandths of an inch equals 9 thousandths of an inch of backlash.